So friends, Motorola just launched the Moto G64 5G, the company's latest 5G smartphone in the Moto G series in India. As it had promised, it has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz LCD screen, is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 SoC with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 12 GB of virtual RAM. The phone runs Android 14 and the company has promised an assured update to Android 15 and 3 years of security updates. It has a 50 megapixel rear camera along with a 8 megapixel autofocus ultra-wide camera, which can also act as depth sensor and capture micro shots. Friends, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and packs a 6000 mAh battery with support for 30-watt turbocharging with 33-watt charger in the box. The Moto G64 5G comes in mint green, pearl blue and ice lilac colors and is priced at Rs 14,999 for the 8 GB plus 128 GB model, and the 12 GB plus 256 GB model costs Rs 16,999, and it will be available from Flipkart, Motorola.in and offline stores starting from April 23rd at 12 noon. So friends, thank you for watching, and for more updates like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.